My people kasala don burst oo, hey. Finally Chika Ike don decide to reveal the face of her baby, now that Regina have finally come back to Ned Nwoko. Anyway, according to what we are hearing allegedly, it seems like coming back to Ned Nwoko is not that Regina have finally come back with her whole heart because what we are hearing is that she's pregnant, and because of that pregnancy she cannot carry the pregnancy outside Ned Nwoko's house. She need to carry the pregnancy in Ned Nwoko's house now, as per say she don marry. So my correct people, don't forget that when Regina Daniels left Ned Nwoko was when we heard that um Chika Ike reviewed her pregnancy bombs, and Regina was like accusing Ned. It's not only Regina Sha. People started accusing Ned, saying that he's the father to Chika Ike's child. But Ned Nwoko said that he's not the father to Chika Ike's child. To the extent that Chika Ike even went on social media and debunked the news by saying that people are prognosing that they want to know the father of her child. That Ned is not even, he did not even put any respect. Say when you start the meet with small pikin dem, dem go open mouth insult you the way you no go even like am. He did not even call him Pa Ned or Senator Ned. What she said was that Ned is not the father to my child. And that word alone made so many people to know that even though we all know that you have something doing with this man, has it reached to the extent of losing all your respect for him? Anyway, that is by the way. So according to what we heard allegedly, that Chika Ike then refused to do DNA test, the same with Ned Nwoko, because why Ned Nwoko started accusing Regina that she should go and do DNA test, that he's not sure of the second child, that the first child resemble him, the second no resemble him, was when Regina asked him that he should go and do DNA test with Chika Ike's child, since he said that he's not the father. But we all saw how he welcomed the baby that day that Chika Ike gave birth, and you are still telling us that that you are not the father to the child, and you refuse to do DNA test. Of course, Chika can never accept to do such a thing. But right now, after Regina left Ned Nwoko, because when Regina left, Regina told Ned that if I must come back to you, you will show me the test, the DNA test of Chika Ike's child, so that I will believe that you're not the father to Chika Ike's child. And again, you're going to get a house for her, according to what I heard, because we started hearing that it's because of Ned Nwoko bought houses for other wives, did not buy for Regina. Ned also bought for Chika Ike, that is side chicks, did not buy for her. Later we started hearing that Chika Ike and Ned Nwoko, they are planning to do secret wedding. A lot of news, but you must always know that all these are all alleged, because we're not sure of all of them. Now the thing we dey hear from social media we share with you. So my correct people, now wetin we dey hear be say that Chika Ike have finally revealed the face of her daughter. Hey. And people don dey make a lot of comment o. People have been saying, why is she reveal it now? Why did she reveal the face now? Then that Regina was outside, why didn't she reveal the face? Because if the child looks exactly like Ned, you know say Ned Nwoko's gene, that man gene is so strong o. If na people wey talk, they go say the gene is his gene is recessive. The man gene is so strong that just watch all his children. Just watch all his children, both the ones he have from other wives, from Laila, and these two children from Regina Daniel. You will see that his gene is so strong. So my correct people are saying that why did Chika Ike now review it? Okay, the thing is that we did not even see the face of the baby. And I was like, why didn't they show us? Although I will still bring the face, because as long as it has been reviewed, very soon the face of the child will appear in social media, and we'll get it and show you. But we are surprised why Chika Ike review this face now that Regina have come back. But according to wetin we hear, we be like say the baby resemble Nnedi Nwoko. But you must know that children dey change o. You know say children dey change. If you give birth to a child now, the child fit go resemble your mama for village, and as the child will stay like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, for 1 month, the child will be changing. The next thing again, the child might come back to resemble your husband. The baby might even go and resemble your boyfriend. And that is when people will start asking you, are you sure that your husband is the father to your child? Do you remember the case of Mercy Chinwo? Once the people started saying that the child resemble one minister like that, before Chinwo came and as in debunk the news that people are saying that her baby resembles so person, that is, people should not listen to the person that is saying that. Maybe that blogger have been paid to carry out such rumor. But if you look at the baby's face, you will see that the baby resemble that man they said he resembled. That is how children behave. I don't know how God created them like that. As they are growing, they will be changing, they will be transforming until they will come to resemble who God want them to resemble. I don't know. So wetin we dey hear be say, as the face was reviewed o, e be like say the face resemble Nnedi Nwoko, because Chika Regina Daniel, her face for where I saw this video, e no sound okay, like you deceived me. She was like Nnedi Nwoko deceived her. Nnedi Nwoko refused to do DNA test. Now that she has finally come back to him, and Chika Ike decided to review the face, people are asking Chika Ike, if you continue dey hide the face now, make we know wetin be your problem. You know say Chika Ike bin don get married before. She don marry before, and that first marriage, she pass through a lot. So sometimes you no blame that woman o, abi that girl o. You no go blame am, because she don marry before, and that first marriage, she no get pikin for that marriage. And according to wetin we hear say the husband dey maltreat her, like the husband no even give her breathing space. The husband maltreated her, treated her like a rag. And that is why she's so happy now that she have this baby, even though she did not have it in wedlock. She had it out of wedlock, because she divorced the man and had this baby outside the marriage. Nnedi Nwoko wanted to marry her. She said no, she's not ready to be anybody's first, second, or seventh wife. You see? And now she have decided to review the baby's face. Anyway, guys, don't worry, just relax. We're gonna bring to you the gist, more gist, and the picture of the baby, and you'll also call result. According to what we hear, say e be like say the baby resemble Nnedi Nwoko. Me, I never see the face of the baby, but when I see the face, I will bring it to you, and you yourself you call result to know whether the baby resemble Nnedi Nwoko abi e resemble another person. So guys, thank you so much for always watching. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe and share this video. Give my video a thumbs up, okay? I love you guys. Bye.